Friends, here we are now at Bharatiya Mall of Bengaluru. So it's nicely lit in the night. I love Bharatiya Mall of Bengaluru, and here we can see it's nicely decorated in the night time, and also we can able to see the other side of this mall. So here in the outside there are many stalls are kept here. Many fancy items are available here for shopping. So here you can see there is one Christmas tree nicely decorated with blue color lights over here. So this is the mall basically. You can see the tree, the completed tree here. So here they have made reindeers. So reindeers are nicely they have decorated and lighted here. So you can able to see that. So it looks so good over here. I'll take one close shot of this. So here you can see so beautifully it's decorated here. So in this mall presently Lifestyle, Home Center, Max, M&S London, Reliance Smart Superstore and also Trend Store is available here. We can see the decorations. Near the decorations, they have put teddy bears, reindeers and many things around here. Even snowman is here. So nice to see that. So this is the front view of the mall. People are walking here and there is an entrance here. So now we are at the entrance of the mall. We have an entrance and exit. So here they have set up speakers on the outside, so you're able to hear the sound. So in and around the mall, you'll be able to hear the music. We are inside the mall, different directions. Here there is another way. There is a Starbucks outlet. So Toy 10 is also available here. Kids are enjoying with the Toy 10 ride. So around the mall, it goes around. And there is Hide Sign outlet here. This outlet is called Hamleys. So beautiful soft toys are available here. So there is a lifestyle store here. So that's such a big store which is there in the Bharatiya Mall of Bengaluru. So the escalators are there. Now we are going to climb into the escalator. So now we are in the first floor of Bharatiya Tech Mall. So here there are home centers, Girias, Van Hussein and many more brands are going to come up here. So in first floor there is home center and Max, and there are ice cream shops, then Tiny Mo, kids train. So there is Ice Age Island here. So you can see very nice settings they have done here.
వచ్చామన్నమాట ఈరోజు వచ్చా